Hi everyone! I have big news, guys! I'll make this quick so you can quickly go make your orders before they go out of stock. Jackson's now stocks A.Gallo watercolors. A.Gallo? I'm not sure how to say it, but you know what I mean. Italian, handmade from earth, mineral, and plant-based pigments. Contains honey and rosemary essential oil. Free of mercury, lead, arsenic, cobalt, and cadmium. I've already put links of everything in the description box below, but if they don't work, here's how to find the half pans. Main Jackson's page, go to Color, then Watercolor, then click on Watercolor Paint. Wait for the page to load. Scroll to the second row. Here it is. Click. And look at that! Such a big range. From a quick glance, prices range from about $9 US to $11, $12, with lapis lazuli at $16-ish. Next, I can't remember how I got to this page, so let's hope the links below work. They're the sets. Here's the 12 half-pan metal palette set that comes with their synthetic squirrel mop travel brush in size number 6. I have this brush with a regular handle and can confirm that it's a great brush that holds a lot of water for a synthetic. And here is the 24 half-pan set that comes with the same synthetic squirrel brush but with a regular wooden handle in size 0. Okay, so that's all I was able to find on their website. However, they recently uploaded a blog post about A.Gallo. If you scroll to the very bottom in the comments section, there's a link to A.Gallo's natural set of 24 half-pans. Unfortunately, that's all the information I have, but I'll keep my eye out for more A.Gallo products. Okay, that's it. Happy shopping, everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.